Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align all text in a word table. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a table. Now we can see here table and some text. Now we align the all text in the table, select the all text, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the home menu and find and click the right align to align right. Now we can see we align right or center or justify or left. Now I align center. Now we can see here we align all text in word table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.